Did you know that popcorn has been around for over 5,000 years and was used in ceremonies by Native Americans? Yes, that's right. This crunchy, buttery delight that we all love has a rich history that dates back to ancient times. Once upon a time, it was used as decoration in headdresses and necklaces, and even tossed into the air to ward off evil spirits. As time passed, popcorn gained popularity and became a beloved snack across the globe. From the bustling streets of New York to the vibrant markets of Mumbai, popcorn is a universal language of joy and comfort. It's the star of movie nights, the perfect partner for lazy afternoons, and an essential part of any good party mix. Popcorn has indeed been an integral part of various cultures and traditions. But now, popcorn has taken an out-of-this-world twist with Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn. Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn is not just a snack, it's a taste adventure. Born out of a love for popcorn and a passion for flavor, this journey began in the heart of Chicago. The creator, a native of the Windy City, had a craving for the nostalgic taste of popcorn from her childhood. This craving sparked a mission: to create the ultimate gourmet popcorn, a popcorn that would bring back the old-school flavors from the 70s and introduce new, exciting tastes. The Mars Poppin' journey is one that starts with quality. Each kernel is hand-picked to ensure it pops to perfection. And we're not just talking about any old popcorn popper. Oh no, we use a vintage popcorn popper. This isn't just about maintaining authenticity, but about honoring the tradition and craftsmanship that goes into making each delectable piece of popcorn. But the journey doesn't end there. The real magic happens when these perfectly popped kernels are coated with our unique blend of flavors. Bubblegum, cheese, caramel, Chicago mix, a nod to our roots, and the irresistible combination of caramel and cheese. We've even got cinnamon, cherry, and grape for those who like a sweet twist. And let's not forget about those of you watching your calories. We've got you covered too. Our air-popped popcorn is just as delicious and comes with less guilt. Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn isn't just about providing a tasty treat. It's about creating an experience. Every bite transports you on a taste adventure, from the bustling streets of Chicago to the tranquility of a Mars sunset. It's about the joy of sharing a bowl of popcorn with your loved ones, the excitement of trying a new flavor, and the satisfaction of finding your favorite. The Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn is not just about popcorn, it's about creating memorable taste experiences. Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn is not your average popcorn. It's a universe of flavors waiting to be explored. Let's take a sneak peek into this cosmos of taste. First up, we have the bubblegum flavor. This isn't your average childhood bubblegum. It's a nostalgic journey back to simpler times, but with a gourmet twist. Each kernel pops into a burst of sweet, chewy goodness that'll have you reaching for more. Next, we have the savory cheese flavor. Imagine the richest, most flavorful cheese you've ever tasted, melted down and generously drizzled over perfectly popped kernels. That's our cheese popcorn for you. It's a symphony of savory delight in every bite. Then there's caramel, a classic favorite. Our caramel popcorn isn't just sweet, it's a harmonious blend of rich, buttery caramel that's been carefully caramelized to perfection. It's a crunchy, sweet treat that's hard to resist. Now let's talk about the Chicago mix. As a native of the Windy City, I can attest that the blend of caramel and cheese popcorn is pure magic. It's a mix of sweet and savory, a delightful dance of flavors that's utterly addictive. Moving on, we have the cinnamon flavor. Imagine the warm, comforting aroma of cinnamon wafting from a freshly popped bag of popcorn. It's a taste that's as heartwarming as it is delicious. Cherry and grape are next. These are old-school flavors from the 70s that we've brought back for a new generation to enjoy. The cherry flavor is a sweet, tangy delight, while the grape flavor offers a burst of juicy goodness. What sets Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn apart is the quality of our ingredients. We source the finest, freshest ingredients and pop our popcorn in a vintage popper. The result is a gourmet popcorn experience unlike any other. Whether you're watching your calories and prefer our air-popped popcorn, or you're a traditionalist who loves the classic, buttery goodness of our regular popcorn, we've got you covered. You can buy our gourmet popcorn by the ounce, so you can enjoy as much or as little as you like. Every flavor of Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn is a new planet in the taste universe. Now, are you ready to embark on this taste adventure with Mars Poppin' Gourmet POPcorn? Just imagine the moment when that first kernel pops. The smell wafts through the air, a delicious aroma that promises a treat for your taste buds. That's the magic of Mars Poppin' Gourmet Popcorn. We're not just talking about a snack here, folks. We're talking about a flavor-packed journey that's bound to take your senses on a wild ride. What makes our popcorn truly special is the choice we offer you. We understand that everyone has their own unique popcorn preference. That's why we give you the option to buy our kernels and pop them at home, filling your space with that irresistible popcorn smell. Or, if you prefer, we've got freshly packaged popcorn ready to be enjoyed straight from the bag. One of the best things about Mars Poppin' is our flexibility. We sell by the ounce, so you can get as much or as little as you like. Whether you're planning a movie night for one or throwing a birthday bash for 50, we've got you covered. Our popcorn is the perfect addition to any occasion. A bowl of our bubblegum or cherry-flavored popcorn is sure to be a hit at children's parties. And for the adults, how about a mix of caramel and cheese, a nod to our Chicago roots, or perhaps a dash of cinnamon to spice things up? We've got a universe of flavors waiting for you to explore. Each one is crafted with the finest ingredients, popped to perfection in our vintage popcorn popper. And for those of you watching your calories, don't worry, we've got air-popped options too, so you can indulge without the guilt. Mars Poppin' Gourmet Popcorn is more than just a snack. It's a taste adventure, a journey through a universe of flavors. So, are you ready to pop into the taste universe with Mars Poppin' Gourmet Popcorn? Click the link in the comment or bio and start your taste adventure now. But wait, there's more. Mars Poppin' Gourmet Popcorn is not just about enjoying popcorn, it's also about sharing the joy of popcorn. You see, we believe that the love for popcorn should not be contained, it should be spread. And what better way to do that than by starting your own popcorn business? Yes, you heard it right. You can be the next popcorn connoisseur in your town, popping kernels of joy for your community. And we're here to help you get started. We've put together a free training video that covers all the essentials of setting up a popcorn business. From popping the perfect kernel to marketing your brand, we've got you covered. And getting this resource couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is write "I want to start today" in the comments and we'll send you the video today. So are you ready to pop into the world of popcorn business? Just write in the comment "I want to start today" and we'll email you the video today.